Hello there, fellow classmates. Andrew Mills here, back again for week 6 to talk about the airline mechanic career in Liberty's Bachelor of Science in Aviation Maintenance. I think an often overlooked aspect of the growing airline industry is the need for maintenance technicians. Oftentimes, people will focus on airline pilot demand as a leading product of the industry growth. I'd argue that fulfilling the need for aviation maintenance technicians is just as, if not more of a necessity than the need for airline pilots, since these are the guys and gals that are ensuring that the airplane stays put together while it's airborne. You could you could be the best pilot in the world, but if your airplane's not properly maintained, there's not much you can do to fix it once you're in the air. All this being said, Liberty University is doing a stellar job at tackling the need for aviation maintenance technicians. Residentially, the university is offering a Bachelor of Science in Aviation Maintenance, which is a zero to completion all maintenance training program. Liberty also has a 1-year AMP, Airframe and Power Plant certification program that covers 3 consecutive semesters. Once an individual completes this program, they can turn it into an associate's degree or pursue a Bachelor of Science in Aviation Maintenance Management, which is more of a degree finish-up for individuals with their AMP certificate. This degree can also be attained through Liberty's online degree program conveniently. Liberty also offers a Bachelor of Science in Aviation Maintenance Unmanned Aerial Systems cognate. As discussed last week, another growing part of the aviation industry is unmanned aerial systems. Like the airline industry, there's a huge need for maintenance technicians to maintain and repair drones. Finally, on the topic of compensation, I did some research on Glassdoor and found that regional airline maintenance technicians can typically make around $40K a year, while top mechanics at major airlines can easily make north of $75K a year. So definitely not a bad salary. And a lot of that depends on education and experience in the field. In summary, today I discussed the need for aviation maintenance technicians. I talked about the different programs that Liberty University offers pertaining to the field. And finally, I covered the typical salary in this career. I hope you all enjoyed this week's video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all again next week.